I'm Margie Meacham, author of Brain Matters, How to Teach Anyone to Learn Anything Using Neuroscience. All of us are going to experience a great era of discovery in the next few years. That's because for the first time in our history, we are able to look inside the brain and watch it in the very act of cognition. We do this through tools like functional MRIs. And let me tell you a few of the things we've learned. First of all, the brain is a survival mechanism. And what that means is we have evolved to have the brains we have in order to survive. So our brains are constantly evaluating any possible threat and trying to figure out how to keep us alive. It's very important if you're going to try and teach people new skills that you understand the survival response that's going to be going on as you force them to change. Next, brain plasticity. Now this is a scientific term, and what it means is that your brain is constantly changing. Up until about 10 years ago, scientists thought that your brain is pretty much fixed as soon as you reach adulthood. There's not going to be new nerve cells, there's not going to be changing habits that's going to be hard, and that phrase, you can't teach an old dog new tricks, turns out to be completely false. As a matter of fact, some studies indicate as you get older, you actually get better at learning because you bring your experience to that new situation. So we can change anybody's behavior or thinking through helping them form neural pathways. And that's what these little guys are. These are neurons in your brain. And when you learn something, one neuron connects to another neuron, and so on, and creates a string. And that's how you retrieve the information later. As a matter of fact, right now, you are rewiring your brain because you are learning something right now. Now, they don't actually touch. They transmit a little charge, and that's an electrochemical charge that we can see as light. And so sometimes we'll talk about lighting up the brain in certain areas. That really is light. There's a light show going on inside your brain. It's beautiful to see, and it tells you a lot about that moment of insight, that aha moment. You can almost feel the light bulb turning on inside your head. Now, as you look at this, watch what happens if I don't continue to repeat that new connection. The connection gets weaker, and the brain prunes those connections. If we're not using it, the brain frees up those cells to learn something new. So the other thing we know about the brain is it has to be repeated. Whatever you're learning has to be repeated probably many more times than you think in order to truly own the information and be able to retrieve it later. Finally, I want to talk about the whole body. Most people think of their brain as inside their skull, but the truth is it is connected to every part of your body through the nervous system. It's directly connected to the spinal cord, and from there to all the nerves in your body. And it is from those nerves that your brain gets information about the outside world. So when you are trying to help people learn, you need to ask yourself, is their body in a good place as well? Are they comfortable? Are they healthy? What is their stress level? And all these things will make you a better educator, better teacher, better leader, better parent. What we do is we help people apply neuroscience to learning. So if you're an educator, a teacher, a trainer, a corporate leader, or a parent, we all want to learn more. We want to help other people learn. And that's why you come to learningtogo.com. Now on this site, you'll find podcasts with neuroscientists and other leaders in the field. You'll have the opportunity to sign up for webinars, for classes, and to register for our big conference, Brain Matters, which is coming in the fall. And I certainly hope to see you there. I'm Margie Meacham. I'm the founder, and I look forward to working with you in this new era of discovery.